Friday last week you saw vertical red candlestick on dollar index daily time frame. This confirmed Fed FOMC speech was dovish. Not just one but three red candlestick and clear breakout and closing below 105.430 big horizontal level, which now is your big resistance. So below this level dollar is bearish and next target can be 50% retracement of this last wave at 103.026. So these two levels are your big support and resistance, and you can see this top came at 50% retracement of this last bearish wave. Friday movement was very aggressive because of Fed and big NFP number which say recession is coming. So correction this week possible. After correction it can make new lower low, but you focus on these two big support and resistance. And dollar is down from 106.893 level. Next target 103.026. If you see H4 time frame for intraday trading, then this is your big intraday resistance, and you can call it wave W, then ABCDE triangle chart pattern correction wave X. Right now we are in wave Y. Price also break out 100% projection. Next will be 38% projection. So after correction it will go down again. For new selling entry, wait for correction, then again you can start selling up to 103 level. You can see from this top to this bottom, not just price but timing. Now dollar and gold both are synced, both are going in opposite direction. And people who miss this vertical price action in dollar index on H4 time frame, these are short-term traders who never look outside H1 or 15-minute time frame, because everyone forget when it was going up every week blue candlestick on weekly time frame. Since Jim Cramer said something about dollar, since then it is down. In between, war was to confuse trader, while real reason was change in Fed monetary policy. And this is a big red candlestick. Now Euro USD daily time frame, after successfully holding this big support level last week, price breakout nearest resistance 69.45. It is broken clear breakout of this level. After short-term correction because of dollar, Euro USD will go up again. So resistance 95.96, 86.20. These are your next big resistance. If you see H4 time frame, then in theory gold and Euro USD are same. You can see it first went up, made double bottom at 61% retracement level, then it went up vertically. Not just double bottom but 4 retest of a trend line. I also said same chart pattern in Telegram before final retest of lower trend line. Because when weekly and monthly time frame moves, people do not know what is happening on H4 and H1 time frame. GBPUSD daily time frame, price made bottom at 38% retracement of this entire bullish wave. You can say this was double bottom and clear breakout of this trend line. This same chart pattern was also updated in Telegram just before breakout because I make YouTube video only once in a week. If this is a trend reversal and double bottom, then next target will be full retracement. That's mean 25,973 and 27.25. These are your next big resistance. And now price is not going back to 184 level. And people who have selling entry at 1.27 level, they can have some hope in upcoming week after correction this will go up, because this neckline of this previous head and shoulder chart pattern is your next big resistance, and this red line is your first nearest support level. After retest you can buy again. If you see AUD USD daily time frame, then you can see this is a perfect trend line. A strong trend line tested many times on daily time frame. Maybe dollar has turned short term or long term. We will have to wait till December FOMC meeting, but right now dollar is showing big turn, and this area 65,122 is your first big resistance. Once this level breakout on retest you can buy, or this week if it make correction before breakout, then on full retracement level you can buy before breakout. USDCAD daily time frame, same like I said last week, price again tested this horizontal resistance level, then it came down vertically, and this is a daily time frame, so you can see price action is aggressive. You can ignore H1 or H4 time frame, but psychology of candlestick on daily time frame is different, and nobody ignore daily time frame. And if this is triple top, then this resistance level, the closing of Friday 36,531, this level will break out, and I think this week dollar will make counter trend correction. So if it goes up from this level, then sell correction and wait for breakout, or if it break out this week, then sell retest and keep selling until 33,869, because you can see this pair is giving clear support and resistance, and these are horizontal, and horizontal level never change. USD JPY daily time frame, price is still locked at 149. It has been 1 month. So Fed gave dovish speech, but before that FOMC member were panicking. But last week Fed was dovish, but it looked like BOJ was panic. And when BOJ gave clear signal last week that they will do rate hike in future, immediately everyone was selling, and it went up to kill all the seller. And when all the macro traders are dead, now it is coming down. I have said many times in past, from 149 to 151, this entire area is your sale zone, and our long term target is 137. And now Fed has changed his tone, and BOJ have changed his tone. Because of that, dollar is bearish and JPY is bullish. So this pair should go down. Selling USD JPY now is same like trading GBPUSD in Brexit. For more clarity, if you see H4 time frame, then we have this trend line tested 3 times. If this trend line break out, then scalper can start selling on retest, or before breakout if it goes up, make counter trend correction then you can sell before breakout. GBPUSD H4 time frame, sideway range. If you focus on last wave, it first went up, then AVC flat correction, exactly 50% retracement. Now we are in wave Y. So new high have come, but we are still below 100% projection, and it is near this previous resistance. So 186.545 is your next big resistance. So if GBPUSD is going up, then GBPJPY will go up, and this is your next big support level, 183.832. If it goes down, retest this level, you buy, and targeting 100% projection for wave Y. But mostly you trade this pair as a sideway range. Silver H4 time frame, you can call it wave W, and this can be your ABCDE triangle chart pattern correction. That's mean retest of upper trend line, then coming down, retest of lower trend line, then it goes up. So this week you can expect more up and down movement in silver. Wait for correction of this chart pattern, then on retest of lower trend line, or when upper trend line breakout on retest, you will buy, and upside target $30. So gold, silver both making triangle chart pattern correction. Watch carefully who end this correction first, silver or gold. US oil H4 time frame, you can call it wave W, counter trend correction wave X, and ABCDE rising wave triangle chart pattern. Right now we are in wave Y. This entire game, this war, everything was started with MBS English interview. Since then, for YouTube Premium member, we were bearish on oil. On Monday War News, we changed our perspective. Then again, when it was testing this horizontal resistance level, right here, 88 level, we were bearish again. Now it is coming down. If you see H4 time frame more closely, then you can see wave Y projection is 76, 100%. We are not there, and horizontal support is 74. So you cannot buy, and price has a breakout below 88. This is your nearest resistance level. So on H1 and 15-minute time frame, you can sell oil. That's mean breakout, retest of resistance, then you can sell. But until price retest 76 level, oil is sideways. And for scalper, intraday trader, 82 and 76, these are your next big support and resistance level. Below this level, short term oil is bearish, and next target 76. So clear breakout of this 83 horizontal resistance on daily time frame, and multiple daily candlestick closing below this level, red candlestick, change market sentiment instantly. This confirms that war is over, and there is no big support before 74. Bitcoin H4 time frame, it is up, 5 impulsive wave correction from this top. If it is AVC wave, then this is your top. Short term and long sideways correction have begun. Or if extended 135 wave, then it will do up and down, then ultimately starting correction, and it can take up to December month. That's the problem with Bitcoin. You cannot trade intraday. either it goes sideways or it goes vertical. For investor, wait for correction and chart pattern, then you can start buying again. SP 500 going up vertical and there is a gap between candlestick. Price action is telling me that globalization is back same like 2009. And wait and watch a news related to China-US relation. It is happening right now and nobody is telling. Just wait and watch. If that happen, then entire market sentiment will change instantly. So this trend line is your next dynamic resistance, almost testing, and last wave 61% retracement done. So this is your dynamic resistance and this last wave retracement 44, 14, 43, 55. This entire area is your resistance zone. If price breakout above this level, then you can say Fed pivot is happening. Otherwise this is counter trend correction and next time it will break below 4100. Because dovish Fed is always good for stock and gold. Gold moved first and SP 500 is moving now. And this is your big resistance zone. Again correction in stock this week is also possible. If this resistance zone break out, then you can say Fed tone have changed and rate cut is coming next year. So this area big resistance and price is almost there and big support 4100. If this level breakout goes below that level, then remember one thing, below 4100 is not bearish SP 500, it is market crash. And when that happens, everything goes down. And that was the reason one by one all the FOMC members were panicking. Last week, Fed was dovish, BOJ was panicking, and all the other FOMC members have already panicked. NASDAQ daily time frame, this trend line is your only big resistance. It is dynamic. Below trend line, NASDAQ is bearish. New lower low can come and it will retest 13720. If static resistance in SP 500 and this trend line in NASDAQ both break out, then you can say Fed pivot is happening. And instantly it can break out 16,000 and you know AI bubble, it will return again. Same with Dow Jones Industrial Average, clear dynamic trend line testing either breakout or counter trend correction. So this week either everything make correction or everything breakout.